Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Caterpillar S53, and now I can show you top 3 best themes for this device. So firstly, open the Play Store and find here Niagara Launcher. This theme I have located on the third place in my tab. Find it, install, and open. So here we have really minimalistic interface. Wait for it. Here we have really minimalistic interface with alphabetical line to fast find any application. For example, you need to find the Play Store, just tap your finger and drag it to P button, and Play Store is here. So it's a really great launcher, really minimalistic, and if you need to be focused, so I suggest you use Niagara Launcher. Now I will not set this launcher as default, so then you can try Smart Launcher 6, not 5 but 6. Find it, click install, wait a while, click open, get started, I agree, confirm, continue, while using the app, hello, confirm, and great. So here we have a really great launcher with really great interface with minimalistic icons and beautiful fonts. Here we have apps grouping feature and great wallpapers gallery. So all wallpapers you can find here are free, but for parallax, that's perspective. For perspective you need to pay. But you can buy the Prime forever. It's not too expensive, so you can do it. And in this way you will have beautiful wallpapers, but with perspective feature, like in old iPhones. For example, now iPhones doesn't have perspective because it's using a lot of battery power. Okay, this theme I have on the third place in my tab. On the second place in my tab. But on the first place in my tab, I have Microsoft Launcher. Find it and install. Click open, get started. Hello, continue, skip. Okay. Choose your favorite apps. Let go. Okay, and here we have a really great glance panel. In the glance panel we can set up our widgets in the way we want, so we can set up and add all our favorite widgets here, and you don't need to switch between thousands of home screens to find need widget. So it's really great feature. In the main menu you have alphabetical line and hide apps feature. It's really great. And we have the killer feature of this launcher is the gestures. So I'll show you only one gest. So find gestures here, for example 2 finger swipe up, and use, for example, I want to open, I don't know, compass. In this way, when I will swipe up using 2 fingers, okay, I need to calibrate my compass. Okay, so now when I will Microsoft Launcher set as default, I will set this launcher as default because I really like it. And now when you will swipe up with 2 fingers, you will always open this application compass, and you can set up it to any other application, to shortcut or to other action. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.